Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 19th to the 23rd of April 2021 on Monday. Things become a little more difficult for Tshepiso as her community tries to figure out what to do with her on Tuesday. Dimpo is overcome by her own fears as her friends rediscover herself. Just as Lindy will put out a fire for Zweli, he betrays her in the worst possible manner on Wednesday. Emma gets a surprise visit that forces her to deal with her past, and Kiriboni hits another brick wall in her fight for Tshepiso on Thursday. Zolani is caught between Emma and Zungani's tempestuous relationship, while Kiriboni faces new challenges as she tried to help Tshepiso on Friday. Emma gets the shock of her life after her loved one reveals her true intentions. Kiriboni is left at a loss of word when she stumbles upon something she wasn't supposed to see. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.